Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we're going to be putting a cover on this Class C motorhome. Cameron's up there sweeping the debris off the roof, checking the roof out, make sure we don't have any soft spots that he could fall through. I tell you, I think putting a cover on an RV is probably one of the most dangerous things that I do as an RV tech. It's so easy to mess up, and you know, you're tugging on a cover, you're unrolling a cover, you're walking backwards. You know, you have the potential, really have the potential to mess up so many different ways. You can either step on something plastic and break it. You know, you could, if there's a soft spot that you didn't know about, you fall through the roof. You could fall off the roof just by walking backwards, step off the roof, just have a brain fart for just 1 second and forget where you're at and step right off of the motorhome or the travel trailer, whatever. I don't like doing covers, never have, and this will be Cameron's first one. So they're heavy to get on the roof too. But yeah, so he's just looking around up there. He did find a soft spot, so he'll be careful with that. And swept most of the debris off, and now we're gonna go get the cover and see if we can get this thing covered up for this gentleman. So here's the cover. While we're down here on the ground, we're just gonna kind of unroll it enough to see. It should be marked front and rear.
Yeah, I seen a mark
somewhere. Maybe a tag front. All right. This has a tag on it, says front. So we just need to know where that's at, because Cameron's we're just gonna ball it back up. He's gonna go up, take it up on top, and he needs to know where the front's at so he can start there and work his way back. All right, here we go. Yeah, so you know the front's kind of in the middle there.
It's gonna be in the middle of all that.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Yep. Got a ladder I'll give to you. Just don't step on nothing and don't fall off the motorhome. Whatever you do.
Gotcha.
I'd rather you step on something than fall off the motorhome.
Is that right?
course, the lapel mic's died there somewhere, so Cameron's just trying to figure out how to get that thing unfolded, because it's a bit of a chore. It's not a bit of fun. Like I say, this probably one. I don't like doing covers. I just put it out there. I don't like doing them. And this is Cameron's first. Got it enough to start throwing it over the edges yet?
I believe so.
Because you got to be on that side of it when you start throwing it over. Yeah, because you can't be walking on it and unfolding at the same time.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so I've got this opening right here. Is this what goes over the front?
Whatever says front, that goes in the front. That's why you got to keep up with the front.
Yeah. Should be.
You're about to fall off the motorhome there. I don't see the front tag anywhere.
It should be.
I don't see it.
It's in between those two.
Oh, I just saw it. Okay, so this is this side then. All right, we're stuck on something. All right, now we got to start. All right, just keep carrying on. Just keep carrying on.
All right.
Is there an easier way of doing this? I don't know. I've never done it any other way. Yeah, you got it going your way now.
Huh?
You got it going your way now.
Good.
It's a lot funner to do on a windy day too. Actually, I put them on a windy day and it worked out pretty good. I stand up there and flap it and the wind catch it, get under it, and just lay it right down. I did that once. I think I got lucky. I think I got real lucky that day. It'll be long enough?
Yeah, once it stretches out.
Okay. I don't think it's covered long enough. 'Cause that's the back corner way up yonder. Right?
No, that is.
No, but it goes almost to the ground.
Oh, okay.
That's what I say, the back corner is way up yonder. If it ain't got no more folds in it. Or it don't go all the way. It don't cover up the front of the van then. It don't just cover the roof, but
Yeah. I'm realizing that now.
if it's measured correctly, it should go almost to the ground.
Okay.
Oh, we got all kinds of stuff up here. Yeah, keep pulling that.
Yeah, there we go.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. There you go. All right, it needs to go forward on your side a little bit. So go up front and pull it. Keep on going. Keep on going.
All right.
Keep on going. Okay. She's on. Now all we just have to do is just center it up and start throwing our straps underneath. Yeah, this is a good cover. It's even got vents, so it does. We do cover up the hole. They make these things for, like, 40 to 45 foot. Yeah. Okay, now all we gotta do is start throwing all these straps underneath.
Are they all on one side?
Yep. Just pull it. There you go. Yep, them's gotta go the other side.
Nice.
They don't really want to do. I got the knee board truck too. So
Okay. Yeah, I saw
throw
that.
it as far as you can throw it, and go to the other side and see if you can get a hold of it. If not, we'll throw it again.
Oh, I'm gonna have to go further than that. That got pretty dang close.
Okay. All right, so now we get the challenge of throwing all these straps underneath the, from this side of the motorhome to the other side of the motorhome. And then they clip together in clips over there. Just pull them tight, do the ends, and be good to go. Well, there you go, folks. She's put to bed for the winter. Camera's just around there snugging the straps up now. Get those all snugged up, and we're out of here. Don't y'all get out of here. Go down there in that comment section. Leave me a comment, a criticism, a concern. We are going to go up the road and fix another one. Y'all have a fantastic day.